Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Basics with me, and today we will see time phrases and their usage in sentences. Friends, by using these time phrases in your daily conversation, you will be adding a feather in your cap. Yes, this is again a phrase which means achievement. So you might be doing one achievement by using these phrases. Second, you will be captivating the attention of your friends. And third, you will be improving your English speaking skills. So friends, it's an advice. After watching this video, don't forget to practice. The more you practice, the more you get. This is the main thumb rule. So let's start video. A whale of a time means have a great time. I had a whale of a time during vacation holidays in Goa. Means you had a great time during your vacation holidays in Goa. Time heals all wounds means our feeling of hurt will leave us as time passes by. It means as the time moves, we tend to forget the feelings of hurt or the bad feelings that we have. This phrase can only be used in those sentences which have hurt feelings or feeling of hurt. I was sad for a long time after I lost my family at an accident. But time heals all wounds. I'm fine now. Here it means at an accident he lost his family, but as the time passes by, one has to leave everything behind and he has to move on. One more example that we usually see in movies: when a girlfriend broke up with her boyfriend, the boyfriend keep on crying or feel sad for a few days, but after some time he moves on in his life and he makes the new one. Turn back the hands of time means to go back to the past. If I could turn back the hands of time, I would not have done what I did to him. Here, the person is regretting for the thing that he did to someone in the past. He is thinking that if he has the ability to go back in his past, then he will try to correct his mistake that he done to someone. Time is ripe means best time to do something. Gold prices are low and we have saved a lot of money. I think the time is ripe for purchasing gold. Here, it is the best time for purchasing gold, or the time is ripe for purchasing gold. Catch at a bad time means attempt to speak to someone in a moment that is inconvenient for him or her. It means you are calling to someone who is at that particular moment is busy either doing his some work, important work, or he is going to or about to going in a meeting or leaving for his office. It can be anything, but the time is not appropriate to call or to talk to him at that particular moment. Hi Ram, you catch at a bad time. I'm about to leave for office. Could I call you back in an hour? Here, suppose you are Ram and you made a call to your friend. Your friend picked up your call and he is saying that, friend, this is bad time. He is leaving for office. He is little bit busy because he don't have too much time. He will give you a back call in 1 hour. Friends, thank you for watching my this video, and if you really like, please do subscribe and comment in comment section, and please let me know if you want more videos of this type. Again, thank you very much.